Google Map shortcut. Two locations on a map are at -1, -1 and 5, 7. Find the straight line distance and explain why this is the shortest path. See, already they told the shortcut here. The two locations on a map are, one is at -1, -1. The other one is at 5, 7. See, why this is the shortest path? Because it is directly from initial to final. So it is displacement, so that's why it is the shortest path. Now I'll find the distance. So I'll consider 2 points like x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB distance is under root x2, which is 5, then write minus. Now if you'll see x1, again it is minus. So minus of minus, it will become plus. So directly I'll write here plus 1 whole square. Y2 is 7. In the formula we have minus. But if you'll see y1, it is again minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1 whole square. So 5 plus 1, 6 square, 7 plus 1, 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So 36 plus 64 is 100, which is 10 units. Root 100 is 10 units. So the distance between the 2 points on map A and B, A is -1, -1 and B is 5, 7. So this is 10 units. And why it is shortest? Because it is from initial to final. Directly we are calculating.